Students of Yusuf School System, I am your maths teacher. Students, this is week 9 of your Zoom classes and video lesson number 1 of week 9. Today we will discuss chapter number 7, dollars, cents and rupees, and from this chapter we will discuss adding money. What we will learn today? Today we will learn about set of money and in coins and in notes, and how to add money with decimal notations. So can you help Toto in money conversion? One Toto have 10 rupees. So how many 25 paisa coins are in 10 rupees? So students, how many 50 coins, how many 50 paisas coins are there in 1 rupee? There are 2. So if there are 2, then there are how many will be in 10? So if 1 rupees have 2 coins, then 10 rupees will be have 20 coins. So similarly with as rupees, if there is 1 rupee with 100 paisas, similarly $1 with 100 cents. 1 rupees equals to 100 paisas. This is the notation, this is symbol that we use for rupees, and this is for paisa. What is the total cost of poster, colors and notepad? Students, in this there are 2 methods. Number 1 method is that you have to add in one figure with other figure, you can say decimal or cents. So there is a 60 cents or decimal, you will add in the first one and it will be $8 and $80, and the rest is $1. So when we add with 1, we get $9.80. Similarly in method number 2, it's very simple. You add whole or means dollars with dollars and cents with cents. So when add dollars, you will get $9, and when you add cents, it will be 0.80 cents. So it will be $9.80. So it will be it's up to you that you are going to adapt method number 1 or method number 2. Find the value of the each. You just add simply like a whole number, you just add and find the value of these numbers. Find the total cost of the sharpener and the pencil holder. Okay students, what you have to do, starting as you have done in a whole number, you can see in a whole number 0 with 0, 7 plus 7 14 plus 1 carry 5, 1 carry 7 plus 1 8. So just we have done in a whole number, doing with the decimals, you just place a decimal here, nothing special. Here is a video source for you students. And what you have learned today, you have learned today money in dollars and money in rupees, and addition of money with the decimals. The decimals is like a whole numbers. Remember, $1 equals to 100 cents and 1 rupees equals to 100 paisas. So this is a home task, 158 to 165, and we have done up to 163 pages in our Zoom class. So 2 pages left as a homework. Thank you class, staying with us. Allah Hafiz until we meet next time.